So Braun sent me this razor and they told me that it was a really good travel razor. So I just so happened to have to catch a train to Boston in about an hour. So let's bring it with and see if that's true. One of the things I really like about this is that it comes with just 3 attachments. And according to the box, that'll give you 39 different lengths thanks to this little gear thing here, which we'll check out a little bit later as soon as I can get to the hotel room. Okay, made it to the hotel. I have a business meeting that I'm here for and it starts pretty soon, so let's test out this razor. Firstly, I like the fact that it only comes with 3 things. This guard from 1 to 10, which is probably all the length that I'll need. This one from 11 to 20 for longer beards and hair, I imagine. And this foil shaver attachment for just cleaning up areas. Since I probably will only need 2 of them, that's even better for travel as it means less for me to bring. And it's able to get away with so few attachments because of this dial that you can adjust to have the one guard to all of those varying lengths. So I'll set it to 3 and we can try that out on the beard. Okay, that went well. Now I'm gonna try a trick that barber Dan Gregory taught me once, and that's to use a size lower on the areas of hair that are a bit more dense for me. So that'd be my mustache and goatee. And even though it's a size down, it'll actually end up looking the same length all around. Fun fact. Thanks, Dan. Okay, so now let's try out the foil cutter and clean up a few areas like my cheeks, etc. Also, it's waterproof, so that means you can use it in the shower if that's your routine, and it's easy to clean. And finally, the shaver actually comes with a Gillette cartridge razor for you to get larger areas that need to be clean shaven, like my neck, for instance. Another thing to note is that the charger will apparently fast charge the device. 5 minutes of charge will get you 1 shave. An hour of charge will actually get it fully charged. And fully charged, it supposedly lasts 100 minutes. Now, I did the math because I'm a nerd, and that means about 2 weeks worth of shaving for me, if not longer. So that's honestly great because it's the most time that I would ever really be traveling, which means that I can leave the charger behind, which is 1 less thing to bring. All of that is good for travel for me. So it's a good travel razor. Absolutely. It cuts really well. The battery lasts a really long time, longer than any trip that I would go on, and you can also fast charge it if you need to. It only has a few attachments thanks to this dial. I actually probably gonna leave the foil one behind now that I think about it, because I could probably get away with literally just this. That's it, and then the Gillette one to get like the other things that I need to do, and that's it. So that's great, because that means less space in my bag, and I'm less likely to lose an attachment as well. And turns out I found it, and I'll leave the link below, for under 50 bucks. Okay, Braun, this is my new travel razor. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about this razor, about this video, this type of video. We'd love to hear from you guys, as always. Again, you can check out the link below if you want to check out this razor. I do like it. It's cool. And it's small. It's great. Otherwise, though, if you like this video, please thumbs up it or share it. It's greatly appreciated. And don't forget to check out the rest of the channel. If you like what you see there, please subscribe and ding the bell next to where subscribe so you get notified when I do new videos. Otherwise, as always, thanks for watching. And look, I was even able to cut my hair with it. That's pretty cool. The fact that I can now do that, just like in between my proper haircuts. Did you know a haircut here in New York is like 50 bucks? This razor is cheaper than that, and now it's saving me money. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. How does it look?